Hello everyone. Today I done more work on programming. I make uh, another module on Elix on Elix shape. So uh, I, I I make the Elix shape start on the midden, and then every every segment I have 10 segment. Every segment I have 20 point. Then I plot this point. Um, this is the Elix parametric formula. Then uh, I make uh, two. I make a three Elix set. So one the first set. The first set is the Elix shape that I I do from uh, the measurement from the height of the endpoint of each segment. So I calculate uh, the pit right here. So um, the 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 angle if I look at the top view, the angle from this to this, it can come out uh, the the pit uh, by by a formula. I did by did for by did formula, and then I have the yellow shape. This is yellow shape that come out from the pit that I measure, and then another data another data set is from actual uh, uh, actual center line. You can see that I have the center line, uh, the actual airflow center line. So this is uh, the red color here. The red color here is the center. So this one, and then from this one I plot. I do a planar plot. I do a remapping right here. So the color of the actual remapping is in blue color, and then another data set that I customize. I customize this one. So I customize. I try to start the customize in the midden, in the midden of uh, the curve, the, the, the center line curve. So everything is calculated from midden, and then the hard point I use this point. So the hard point I come out by manual slide manual slide pit. So this one it input to the pit of the program that I do before. Then I change I trimmed it by high. If I look at the on the if I look at on the bottom, then this one is the module that I trim. So I trim this by this one. So if I extend, you can see. So I trim this. I can fix hard point uh, on the I use this one to become hard point because this one is the lead end, and then this one is the trailing end, and then you can see after I fix the hard point on the bottom, on the bottom one, we can see different traveling edge, because the actual is not a constant pitch. I use this one it constant pitch. Everything, every center line here, I do remapping to a linear plot. You can see on this view, and you can see the yellow and the black is straight line, instead of the blue is from actual data. It's something like curve, so that means the propeller is the airfoil satellite is not constant elliptic. It's something like equation. So what I need to do next, I need to find some equation on the blue line. Then I do polynomial interpolation on this blue line, and then project back to the revolution axis. Then I can get variable elliptic. Because if I do why I do like this, because if I do on equation, it's very difficult. I cannot get it's difficult to get a certainly equation here. So it's better that I do calculation on planar, then remapping to cylindrical again. So thank you for watching.